Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you an outfit idea in Dress to Impress for tea time or tea party theme without VIP. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and then we're going to go to the dressing room and we're going to wear this item, and you can apply this pattern to the first selection and also the second selection. And I'm going to move to the coat item, and then we're going to wear this item. Okay, I'm going to color it white for the first selection and also the second selection, and for the third selection I'm going to apply this green color. Okay, and I'm going to go to the corset area and also sleeves area, and I'm going to wear this sleeves, and we're going to apply this green color. Okay, then I'm going to apply this corset as well, and I'm going to make it has the same color. Okay, this green color. All right, and then I'm going to wear this heel. I'm going to color it white. Okay, then I'm going to move to the stocking area, wear the stocking. Okay, and the last one, I'm going to go to the accessories, and then I'm going to wear this cap. Okay, then I'm going to apply the same pattern. Okay guys, and this is the final result. Oops, sorry, I'm going to apply one more accessory. I'm going to apply this necklace and make the second selection green. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.